Take a moment to listen to your breath. The sound of your breath has been with you from the moment of your birth. The sound of your breath will be with you until the moment of your death. As long as you can find this sound, regardless of all else that goes on, everything is pretty much okay. Right. Now, see the time span you intend to spend on this exercise and put a kind of parenthesis around it. Know that for your chosen specific duration, you will simply focus on writing, finding out where a single thought, a single memory, or imagining takes you. Remember and imagine what it was to speak to an adult as a child. Not a parent, a time you spoke to someone outdoors, perhaps, or at a desk that seemed large to you, or somewhere else so vivid, so clear, a memory that my suggestions fade. Forgotten, only your memory flashes, remembered to imagined clarity. Now, as the adult that you are, remember a time that you were the child in the room and an adult conversed with you, treated you as a person, listened. Tell that story from the perspective of the adult observing that child in that circumstance. Go to work. Some people with this exercise become the person they remember speaking with as the narrator. Others become an adult narrator as themselves observing the behavior as a third party. Some people discover something about the event that they had not seen before. Others understand something about their own way of seeing the world when they were children, or about how they might have been seen by grown-ups. The experiences that come from this sort of writing are different for everyone. What's important is that it gives us a way of introducing ourselves into memory as imagination. I'm always interested in hearing about people's experiences with these drills, prompts, writing tools. Share anything you would like to about your own work in playing with this suggestion by dropping it in the comments below. Active Voice Productions puts these pieces out into the world free. If you want to help with that at no cost whatsoever, click like and subscribe below. That's all it takes. Right on, people. Right on.